So I have this picture hanging in my kitchen, and my kitchen is like a cream color, and what I want to do is make this pop. So I am going to attempt to paint it. So let's see how this turns out. I'm hoping it turns out good. I'm gonna probably use 3 or 4 colors. We'll see. I'm gonna take you guys with me. And this is actually pretty heavy duty stuff, so I'm hoping that my acrylic paint will do the job. Here I'm just showing you guys some pieces that I found online. I know a lot of times I see wall art that I like, but it's not the color that I want. So this is what made me want to go ahead and see how paint would do on that. So if you see something in the store, go ahead and buy it, and then maybe just see if you can paint it later if it's not too much. I know you can get those things from like Burlington Coat Factory is one that I get it from, Ross, and they're always like a chrome or a gold color, but sometimes I want some pop. So anyway, here you're gonna see me going ahead. I am using acrylic paint, and I just purchased this from Michael's, and I am using a small paintbrush, and I am going ahead and painting the colors yellow, green, and red. And I'll show you guys my kitchen and about 2 more videos because we did a couple more updates to the kitchen. So I'll show you guys the full kitchen later. So stick around, stay tuned, and see how this project came out. So here is the other one that I did in our guest bathroom. If you guys can see it. I just did the top green and I left the bottom the bronzy type color. So here's the final result. Sorry it's so shaky, but this is how it came out. I really, really like it. I hope you guys try it. If you do, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.